We will take a look at a powerful website called ElevenLabs, one of the most powerful AI voice platforms out there. So guys, if you ever want to create a realistic voiceover or you want to convert text into natural sounding speech, ElevenLabs is definitely a platform you want to check out. So in this video, I will show you exactly how ElevenLabs works, some of its key features, and how you can use it to create professional sounding voiceovers. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So guys, your first step after clicking the link on the description box of this website below is to sign up, which is a completely easy process. You can sign up and choose your favorite niches you would want. So after signing up and completing everything, this is the page you would actually land on. So to convert text to speech, you can come over and click on this icon at the top left corner. Use audiobooks and more other tools. So you can come on the text to speech section. Here guys is an example of how powerful the ElevenLabs is. So let us just say start typing here in this video. And we can click on generate speech.
Start typing here in this video.
And that's it for today's video on the ElevenLabs, guys. Hope this video gave you a better idea on how the platform works and what you can expect when using it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.